If you drive a big SUV like the Ford Expedition, you already know the struggle: clutter, sun damage, shaky cargo, and tech overload. Today I'm breaking down 8 must-have accessories that actually solve those headaches. Links to everything are down in the video description, so you can check them out anytime. First up, the 4K Ultra High Definition Dash Cam. This custom-fit unit mounts cleanly behind the rear-view mirror for that factory look. No messy wires. It records at 2160 pixel resolution at 30 frames per second, delivering crisp detail day or night. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you pull footage straight to your phone, and the G-sensor locks clips during sudden impacts. Straight up peace of mind. Next, the Auto Start Stop Eliminator. If your Expedition shuts off at every red light and it drives you crazy, this plug-and-play module fixes that. It memorizes your preference automatically. No cutting, no programming, no warranty drama. Reviews highlight how seamless it feels, and it keeps remote start and factory settings intact. Install takes minutes. If you like full control of your ride, this one's clutch. At number 6, Roof Rack Crossbars. Built from aluminum with an anti-corrosion coating, these bars can handle up to 260 pounds of gear. Owners mention minimal wind noise and solid stability thanks to the die-cast construction. Extra tie-down points are great for bikes or cargo boxes. Installation is simple bolt-on, and the soft pads protect your rails. Road trips, camping, skis, bring it all. Number 5. The Center Console Organizer. If your armrest storage feels like a junk drawer, this drop-in tray cleans it up fast. Made from durable ABS with non-slip liners, it creates compartments for phones, coins, sunglasses, and more. There's even space to route charging cables without interference. No tools needed. It's one of those small upgrades that makes everyday driving way more organized. Number 4. The Rear Trunk Cargo Net. Simple, but seriously useful. This heavy-duty nylon net keeps groceries, sports gear, and random cargo from sliding all over the back. It's designed specifically for the Expedition, so no drilling or weird mods. Reviews love how secure it feels and how easy it is to remove when not needed. Clean, safe, and stress-free hauling. At number 3, the Dash Console Organizer. For the 13.2-inch screen models, it turns that empty space behind the screen into smart storage. Custom-molded ABS construction with anti-slip mats keeps your essentials from rattling. Installation takes minutes and requires zero tools. It maximizes interior space without cluttering the cabin. Functional and factory-looking, that's a win. Number 2, the Cargo Mat for Expedition. Laser measured for a precise fit, this thermoplastic elastomer mat features a high-wall design that traps dirt, snow, and spills. It's odorless, recyclable, and built to handle extreme temperatures without cracking or curling. Cleanup is easy, just rinse with water. If you haul gear, pets, or groceries, this keeps your cargo area looking brand new. And finally, the Dashboard Cover Mat. Made from soft flannel with a non-slip silicone backing, it protects your dash from ultraviolet rays, cracking, and fading. It also reduces glare and helps regulate surface temperature. The custom cutouts ensure a clean fit around vents and sensors. It's a low-cost way to protect your interior long-term, and it just looks sharp. That's the full countdown of 8 must-have Ford Expedition accessories worth every dollar. Links are waiting for you in the video description. If this breakdown helped, hit subscribe and stick around for more smart upgrades for your ride.